Hi everyone. Given that AB equals AC, so we have these two sides are congruent. So all these sides are congruent. And that we're going to find AD, the measure of angle ABC. And given that G is the centroid, we're going to find FG and BD, this whole length here. And we're going to use the theorem, congruency of medians of triangles. And basically, this is the setup you want to think about when you're doing medians of a triangle. And know when the centroid's here, this part from the vertex is 2/3 of the total length. And the centroid to the midpoint to the other side is 1/3. So if you remember that, that's what this basically is saying. So let's get started. It says find AD. Well, by definition, for median, when it comes down here like this, it hits at the midpoint. So that means this side is also 12 because the midpoint divides it into half. So AD equals 12. Now for the measure of this whole angle, since it's perpendicular here, this is also 39 degrees. So the measure of angle ABC is merely you add those two up. And that gives you 78 degrees. All right. Now, given that G is the centroid of ABC, find FG and BD. So let's go with FG. So FG is this one right here. So what I'm going to do first is find this total length. And we're going to use our theorem. And our theorem states that HE equals 2/3 of the total length, which is AF. So AG is 13. It's given here. And that equals 2/3 of AF. Now multiply both sides by 3/2, the reciprocal, so that will cancel out, and you get 39/2 equals AF. So basically, the whole length is 39 divided by 2. Now, to get this length here, that's just going to be 1/3. This part is 2/3. The part from the vertex is 2/3. So 1/3 times 39 divided by 2 is 39 divided by 6. And if you 6 goes into 39 6 times with 3 left over. So that's just really going to give you 6.5 because this 3 6 is 1/2. So that's your answer to that, 6.5. And now let's find BD, the total length. Here, let me just erase all this. All right. So to find BD, we know that BG is 2/3 of BD. So BG is 10 equals 2/3 of BD. Okay, so multiply both sides by 3/2. That means this cancels. 2 goes into 10 5 times. So 3 times 5 equals 15, which equals your BD. So, oh, why did I put 10? This is 15. And they want the whole length. So the whole length is going to be 15. So that would mean GD, they're not asking for that, would be 5. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.